There are over 10,000 AI tools available right now. Most of them are garbage. Some of them cost $50 a month or more. But hidden in the noise are 10 completely free tools that can genuinely replace software you are currently paying hundreds of dollars a year for. I have spent the last month testing over 50 AI tools, and in this video, I am going to show you the only 10 free ones that are actually worth your time in 2026. And number 7 literally blew my mind. I had no idea it existed. I have ranked these from good to absolutely essential. So make sure you stick around until the end, because the last 3 are the ones I literally use every single day. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this. Starting at number 10, Remove.bg. This tool does one thing, and it does it perfectly. You upload any image, and in about 2 seconds, it removes the background with incredible accuracy. I have tested it against Photoshop's built-in remover, and honestly, for 90% of use cases, this free tool is just as good. Perfect for thumbnails, presentations, social media posts, product photos, you name it. They also have an API if you need to batch process hundreds of images at once. I tested it with complex hair, transparent objects, and even pets, and it handled all of them flawlessly. The only time you need Photoshop is for really tricky edge cases with fine detail work. Number 9 is Gamma, and if you are still manually building PowerPoint slides in 2026, I need you to stop immediately. You type in your topic, and Gamma generates a complete, beautifully designed presentation in about 30 seconds. We are talking proper layouts, relevant images, smooth animations. The free tier gives you unlimited presentations. For most people, especially students and freelancers, this completely replaces PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Canva presentations. What really impressed me is that it automatically selects relevant images and icons for each slide. You can also restyle the entire deck with one click if you do not like the initial design. I showed this to a colleague, and they could not believe it was AI generated. Number 8, Perplexity. Think of this as Google, but it actually answers your question instead of giving you 10 blue links you have to click through. You ask a question in plain English, and Perplexity gives you a clear, sourced answer with citations. It pulls from the latest information on the web, so it is always current. I use this every day for research. It is faster than Google, more accurate than ChatGPT for factual questions, and the free tier is incredibly generous. They also have a feature called Spaces where you can organize your research into projects and share them with your team. If you are a student writing a paper or a professional doing market research, Perplexity will save you hours every single week. I honestly cannot remember the last time I used a traditional search engine. Okay, number 7 is the one I mentioned at the start, Leonardo AI. And yes, this one genuinely blew my mind. Leonardo is a free AI image generator that produces results that rival Midjourney, which costs $10 a month. The free tier gives you 150 image generations per day. That is insane. The quality is stunning. I use Leonardo for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, blog images, basically anything visual. If you are paying for stock photos or Midjourney, you need to try this first. They recently added a real-time canvas feature where you can sketch something rough and the AI transforms it into a polished image in real time. They also have motion generation now, so you can turn your still images into short animated clips. For a free tool, this is honestly unbelievable. Number 6, ElevenLabs. This is the most realistic AI voice generator on the planet, and the free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month. That is enough for about 3 to 4 short videos. The voices sound completely human. If you want to create faceless content, YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, this is the tool. You can even clone your own voice with a 2-minute recording. What a lot of people do not know is that they also have a sound effects generator. You can type in any sound, like a thunderstorm or a crowd cheering, and it creates it from scratch. They even added AI dubbing that can translate your video into dozens of languages while keeping your voice. The technology is genuinely scary good. If you are finding this helpful so far, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. It really helps the channel grow, and I have got 4 more incredible tools to show you, including the #1 tool that I literally cannot live without. Number 5, and we are getting into the essential tier now, Canva with its built-in AI features. Most people know Canva for design templates, but the AI tools they have added are a game changer. Magic Write generates copy for your designs. Magic Eraser removes objects from photos. Magic Resize reformats your design for every platform in one click. And all of this is included in the free plan. I use Canva for every thumbnail, every social media post, and every presentation. They also added Magic Media, which lets you generate images and videos right inside your design using text prompts. The Brand Kit feature lets you save your fonts, colors, and logos so everything stays consistent. If you are a small business or a content creator, Canva is the one tool that can genuinely do it all. Number 4 is a hidden gem from Google, NotebookLM. You upload documents, PDFs, websites, or YouTube links, and it creates an AI that is an expert on just that content. Upload a 100-page report, and you can ask it questions like what are the 3 key recommendations or summarize chapter 4 in 2 sentences. It even generates audio overviews, basically turning your documents into podcasts. For students, researchers, and anyone who deals with large documents, this is absolutely essential. The audio overview feature is mind-blowing. It generates a 2-person podcast discussion about your content that sounds completely natural. You can even customize the hosts and tell them what topics to focus on. I used it to study for a certification, and it saved me at least 20 hours of reading. Now we are in the top 3. These are the tools I use every single day without exception. Number 3, Claude by Anthropic. A lot of people think ChatGPT is the only AI chatbot worth using. They are wrong. Claude is better than ChatGPT at long-form writing, nuanced analysis, and coding tasks. It handles context windows of up to 200,000 tokens on the free tier. That means you can paste entire books and ask it questions. I use Claude for script writing, editing, code review, and deep analysis. If you have only been using ChatGPT, you need to try Claude today. Claude also has a feature called Artifacts where it can generate interactive documents, code previews, and even mini applications right in the chat. They also introduced projects which let you organize conversations and upload reference files that persist across chats. For coding and writing, Claude is genuinely the best AI I have ever used. Number 2, CapCut. This is the best free video editor in 2026, and it is not even close. It has AI-powered auto captions, background removal, voice enhancement, text-to-speech, and one-click templates. CapCut was built by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, so it is optimized for short-form content. But it handles long-form editing beautifully too. Free, no watermark on exports. Honestly, it puts some paid editors to shame. The desktop version has a full multi-track timeline that rivals DaVinci Resolve. They also have team collaboration features now, so multiple people can work on the same project. If you are making YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or any kind of video content, CapCut should be your first stop before you even think about paying for anything else. And the number 1 free AI tool in 2026, no surprise here, ChatGPT. Even with all the competitors, ChatGPT remains the most versatile, most reliable, and most useful AI tool available. The free tier now includes GPT-4o, image generation with DALL-E, web browsing, file uploads, and even data analysis. 2 years ago, this would have cost you $20 a month. Now it is completely free. I use ChatGPT for brainstorming, drafting emails, writing scripts, coding, meal planning, travel itineraries. If you are only going to use one AI tool from this entire list, make it this one. What makes ChatGPT unbeatable is the GPT Store, where you can access thousands of custom AI agents built by other users for specific tasks. The memory feature means it remembers your preferences across conversations, so it gets better the more you use it. They also added a canvas mode for writing and coding that lets you collaborate with the AI side by side. No other free tool comes close to this level of versatility. So those are my 10 best free AI tools for 2026. Every single one is free to start, and together they can replace hundreds of dollars worth of paid software. I have linked every tool in the description below, along with a free PDF cheat sheet that lists all 10 tools with quick start guides for each one. Grab that, it is completely free. Drop a comment telling me which tool you are most excited to try. And if I missed your favorite free AI tool, let me know. I might feature it in a future video. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button and follow us on social media for daily AI tips. I drop new AI tool reviews and tech tutorials every Tuesday and Thursday. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next one. And just a quick note, some of the links in the description are affiliate links which help support the channel at no cost to you. Thanks for watching.